How to use Google Duo on iPhone and Mac. Using Google Duo on iPhone and Mac is pretty straightforward. Here's a quick guide. On iPhone *1. Install the app *download Google Duo from the App Store. 2. Verify your phone number *enter your phone number and Duo will send you a verification code via SMS. 3. Connect your Google account *. This is optional, but it lets you use Duo across devices and see contacts who use their Gmail address with Duo. 4. Start calling *. Swipe up in the app to see your contacts. Tap the video or voice call icon next to the contact you want to call. On Mac *1. Open Duo in your web browser *, go to duo.google.com and click Try Duo for Web. 2. Sign in with your Google account *. If you have a GSuite account, you'll also need to verify your phone number. 3. After you set up, you are instantly ready for calling through your browser. Just one last thing, for the best experience with your video calls, without any lags or frozen frames, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is good. You can use Wi-Fi Explorer in this video guide to quickly scan your network and troubleshoot network issues. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. ** Duo supports one-on-one and group calls with up to 32 participants. * Duo calls are end-to-end encrypted, which means that only you and the person you're talking to can see and hear the call. * Duo works over Wi-Fi or cellular data. * You can use Duo to send video messages and leave voice notes for people who are unavailable.